clothes, and weather. A. Tick the correct option. 1. We should wear dark-colored clothes in A. Summer season. B. Winter season. C. Rainy season. 2. Clothes provide us A. Protection. B. Sadness. C. Unhappiness. 3. We should wear light-colored clothes in A. Summer. B. Winter. C. Both A and B. C. Write true or false for the following statements. 1. We should wear dark-colored clothes in winter. True T. 2. Synthetic clothes are made from petroleum byproducts. True T. 3. Natural fibers are obtained from plants and animals. True T. 4. Synthetic clothes are made from cotton plants. False F. 5. Naphthalene balls protect our woolen clothes from silverfish. True T. D. Answer the following questions. 1. Why do we need clothes? Answer. We need clothes to cover our body and protect it from heat, cold, and dust. 2. Explain the difference between natural and synthetic fibers. Give examples. Answer. Natural fiber. 1. It is obtained from natural sources like plants and animals. 2. Example. Cotton, wool, silk, jute, etc. Synthetic fiber. 1. It is obtained from man-made chemicals, usually from petroleum. 2. Example. Nylon, polyester, acrylic, rayon, etc. 3. What kind of clothes do we wear in winter season? Answer. We wear warm clothes like sweaters, jackets, and woolen caps in the winter season. 4. What is uniform? Give examples of people who wear uniform. Answer. A set of similar-looking clothes worn by a group of people is called a uniform. Example. Students, doctors, and soldiers, etc. 5. Describe 2 ways to care for clothes. Answer. 1. Wash dirty clothes with detergent and dry them in sunlight to kill germs. 2. Keep naphthalene balls or neem leaves with woolen and silk clothes to protect them from insects.